In this video, I will tell you about the woman's psychological facts. Number 1. The truth is women love to get compliment, even they don't admit it openly. Give her a genuine compliment and see her smile grow. Number 2. Women love men who actually listen to their rants. Women do not accept answers all the time. Sometimes they just need someone to be there. Number 3. Women experience significantly more nightmares than men and have more emotional dreams. Number 4. Women spend over 4 years in total of their lives menstruating. Number 5. Girls don't like being started at unless they are already starting at you. Number 6. A girl cannot keep a secret for more than 47 hours. She would share with someone definitely. Number 7. A woman's sex drive is much more easily upset than guys. Number 8. Majority of women choosing a stylish presentation over comfort. Number 9. Women take 15 days to fall in love, men just 8.2 seconds. Number 10. The woman who did not require validation from anyone is the most fair individual on the planet. Number 11. Women are more attracted to a man who pays attention, someone who remembers details about them without having to be reminded. Number 12. If a girl like you, she always play with her hair while talking to you. Number 13. Only 2% of women describe themselves as beautiful. Number 14. Women use silence to express pain. You know she truly hurt when she chooses to ignore you. Number 15. The male brain is 10% bigger than female, but the female brain works more efficiently. Number 16. Generally, a woman will only argue with someone she truly cares for. Arguing less occurs when she is less interested. Number 18. When a man first approaches a woman, she will base 7% of initial impression on what he says, 38% on his style of speaking, and 55% on his appearance and body language.